Today is a very cloudy day, so it might rain. But at the end of the day, beyond the clouds, the sky is still blue. The birds are still singing, and I just saw a fucking squirrel back here, which is fine. Um, that's all right. Let me wipe my eye here. Way too much. Oh. It feels nice. It feels lovely. This is the fit. Um, I'm choosing to give myself a break today because I've been stressing myself out on a daily basis. Um, but regardless of that, let me show you guys the fit. The fit. Oop, you all right? This is the fit. These are the pants under the fit. This is the outfit I'm wearing today. Choosing to. I chose to wear this outfit today. I chose to put shorts under this dress. That's what I chose to do today. um, I love poached eggs. I really do. But um, it's not really that filling. So I'm going to have to go back to boiled eggs because it gives me more protein. You know, the yolk doesn't go everywhere, as lovely as that is, and the bread absorbing the yolk. But I do, I didn't have bread with it yesterday. But boiled eggs, sausage should be good. I'll be absolutely fine this morning. Hopefully, I wasn't covering the speaker again. But sausage and boiled eggs. Boiled eggs has more protein. Um, Not has more protein, but the yolk doesn't go everywhere. So, but yeah. See, it's very cloudy out, but it is still very hot, very warm.